Morning everybody, I've just been dropped back at Iron Mountain Gap by the shuttle driver from Uncle Johnny's hostel. I'm headed north today. Couldn't organise a slack pack, but put my big girl pants on and hopefully the rain will hold off this afternoon. That is forecast. Not sure where I'll end up today. Maybe if I'm really lucky I'll get to Roan Mountain Shelter, which is the highest shelter on the AT. A few other people I think are shooting for that shelter too. Just going through my morning routine of putting on the KT tape and doing my foot care on the side of the road here because I was really pushed for time trying to make the shuttle this morning. I just still can't believe how long it takes to get your pack organised and do all your jobs in the morning. So just sitting here on the side of the road, putting my KT tape on, getting my compression socks organised, and hopefully hit the trail very soon. It's like I'm walking in a lettuce field. Big mossy tree. And I am headed up there. So we've got some more mushroomy things today. They kind of look like oyster shells. Oh, and they're hard too. So I just stopped at Little Rock Knob Vista for a break. I ordered Domino's for dinner last night and I packed out 2 pieces, so that was very delicious and made a nice change from dried sausage and cheese. So I've got about 12 kilometres to Roan Shelter, and it's supposed to rain sometime after 1 o'clock, so I'd better go wet my bike and get going. Just past the 600 kilometre mark, which is awesome. Only 2,900 kilometres to go. Alright, so here I go. I've got 5.2 to Roan High Knob and the highest shelter on the Appalachian Trail, and it is all uphill for the next 6 kilometres. So this is certainly going to test my resilience because it looks steep. So about halfway up this mountain, and wow, it is humid. Again, you can see all the sweat just about. My shirt is absolutely soaking through. And you can kind of see up there some really dark clouds, so I'm really hoping it doesn't rain because I think in the background you can see the difference between the light and the dark cloud, because I don't want to put my rain gear on, but at the same time I don't want all my clothes to get soaking wet through like they did yesterday because I'm camping out tonight. And the other thing I just saw a minute ago was a snake just curled up on a rock in the middle of the trail. It's probably about 50 centimetres long and about as skinny as my finger, and just curled up, just sunning itself. And as soon as it saw me, it ducked off into the bush, but I don't really know what it was. It was like one I saw the other day that darted into the bushes, kind of the same colour as the trail, like a mockery brown with kind of like a stripe down the middle, but not very strong, just shades of the same colour. Anyway, fingers crossed I get to the top before it rains. Reached a flat little section before the last climb up to the shelter, which I think is about 3 kilometres. Just bumped into a lady from Atlanta, and she said that once you're up over the Roan High Knob It's such a beautiful section after that. So lots to look forward to tomorrow. Oh, a bit rocky along this bit. I've got about a kilometre and a half to go. It has been a hard uphill. And I keep just willing the rain to hold off until I get to the shelter. So just walked into some freaky mist. So if you give it a minute, you can just see it rolling in and out. First time I saw it, I was looking up and it was completely misted over those trees ahead. And I looked up again and they were clear. So you can just see it blowing in like smoke. Just to show you how quickly the weather changes up in the mountains. Spooky. They're all swirling around. Just a random fireplace in the woods. Just about got run over by a chipmunk. The little fella was running like a bat out of hell through the field next to me, ran straight in front of me and then leaped over some logs and kept on going. They are the funniest little things. I just wish one would stop long enough so I could get a little video or photo of it. They're super quick. Oh, thank goodness. The shelter. Hello. Wow, this is a 2-story shelter.
Yeah, up there is nice.